you feel like this contains any fiberglass in it?
I wouldn't think so. Doesn't feel like it would be itchy on me.
Okay.
Saying some kind of fabric. I'd say some kind of fabric, maybe a cotton or something. I don't know. I mean, it is really soft.
I don't feel the fiberglass in it
Okay.
at all. If there's fiberglass in there, you guys need to get that out there.
It's smooth. It doesn't seem like it sheds very much, and it seems like it'd be real easy to cut for the walls.
I would definitely use it. Definitely use it.